The Cayman Islands National Weather Service has issued an emergency warning for all islands. Please stand by. A hurricane warning is now in effect for the entirety of the Cayman Islands. The Hurricane Ivan has recently been detected and has been confirmed to be an extremely dangerous Category 5 hurricane. Sustained wind speeds of up to 170 miles per hour and dangerous storm surge of over 9 feet are expected. Please stay away from all low-lying and coastal areas. If you live near the coast, evacuate into designated national safety shelters immediately. Bring all necessities you need with you to your shelter. Do not leave your shelter or travel outdoors. Widespread power outages may occur during this hurricane. This will conclude this emergency message. Stay safe.